Guys, we're back. This is Coinbase. I'm looking at the markets right now. We are checking out what exactly is going on. Bitcoin. If I talk a bit about that, my exit, my left off point was back in January. I left off at 24 and sold at 24, which I regretted. This is now in June, so first week of June. We're now sitting at around 25. Happy about Ethereum. I was over the moon when this hit 3,000, almost 3,000 it was. I think it was actually, did it hit 3,000? But yeah, we're holding right now at 1,900. Happy with position on Cardano. Put a bunch into this crypto. Bought in price around sort of 80 pence. Start of the year bought in around sort of 24 pence. Then bought in again when the market dipped around 74 pence, 80 pence. So we're definitely doing gains here. Dogecoin bought in at 3 pence on Doge back when the thing was just the meme was starting. This has gone up. If I click on Doge, I've got nothing on this Coinbase account. So if I click on Doge, we're going to check out this meme where it's getting to. Got nothing on this. It pumped at 53. I should have actually got out of then. It went down to about 15 and now obviously trading back up again. So Doge is doing pretty well. Obviously, if I was you, just looking at this, just looking at prices here on this, I would not want anyone to buy Doge at this stage. It's a meme coin at the end of the day. It's a meme. Memes die out. Maybe we can, if this goes to £1, I might just jump out at £1. But right now I'm okay holding Doge. I should have sold when I sold it, but I didn't sell it then, so I'm going to hold on to that. I've got some Polkadot. This is going around, so this trend, this was averaging around sort of 20, 25. I bought some Polkadot when it dipped below 20. Now it's dipped below lower, so minus state on that. Happy about Matic. So I bought in a Matic around sort of 20 pence, and that's 4 times increase on Matic. Ethereum Classic as well is gone up. I'm happy about that. Got if I go to my Ethereum Classic, got nothing on this wallet here. But yeah, this is when I was trading at its high. If I go to the year, so my buying point was around 13, around this sort of time here, around 13-14 pounds, and I bought some Ethereum Classic. That's trading high now as well, so I'm going to hold on to what I've got there as well. But everything else, everything else is sort of ticking by. Again, being a collector, being who I am, I'm going to be holding on to what I've got left. The only thing I will be dumping when this shoots up again, gets another pump, will be Doge, because the meme will die out sooner, really soon, and I don't know when it's going to be. I might just jump out. If this goes back to 50 pence, I might just consider just dumping all my Doge. I'm not even sure if it can reach £1. My exit strategy was going to be, if it hits £1, then I'll dump out what I've got. Holding Ethereum, I've got a coin left on. I've got a coin of Bitcoin. I'm gonna hold on to that. Hopefully this goes up again, because there'll be no more Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin that's left, I've got hope. There'll be another sort of bull run. There'll be another sort of pump, and this will be pumped up. I bought some XRP when it dipped around sort of 80, so I've lost some position on XRP. Who knows, man. I bought a bit more when it dumped round about. I think it was going around 60, like less than around sort of 45 pence. So that's what would average it out, in terms of my buying state and my loss as well. But we'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's my crypto update. I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Ace as always. Like, subscribe. Peace out.